Morning. Okay. It was a normal morning. I was a bit breathless and coffee, but it was normal. I was getting changed to go and take some stuff to Joe Aikins when my cough got really bad and I started to cough up blood, just like that. Because I'm on blood thinners, I have to go to see a doctor of some description if there's any unusual bleeding, and that's on the list. It's coughing up blood. Breathing's terrible. God's sake. I sound like an old man. But anyway, I have to go to the doctor's at 12:20. My trees are being lopped down, and I probably won't get to Joe. I was also trying to get to the cemetery to look at the nana and the mum's grave, but that's gonna have to wait. So I thought I'd do a quick vlog, because it is all about living with cancer, and you know, you have to cancel things at short notice, and yeah, you're letting people down, but I just can't help it. I'm really sorry. I'll vlog you later from either from home or from the hospital, which is where I've got a feeling I'm going to end up. Yep, I'll speak to you later.